Hello students, today we are going to learn the sums based on indices. So first question is minus 243 by 32 to the power minus 3 by 5. So here what to do? First of all, we will do the prime factorization of 243 and 32. So 243 is here, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, and in this way complete the prime factorization. And similarly for 32, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, and so on. So what we found here, 243 equals to 5 times 3. So we will be writing 300 to the power 5. So minus 243 will be equals to minus 3 to the power 5. Similarly 32 will find its 2 to the power 5. Now minus 243 we can write as minus 3 to the power 5, and 32 we can write 2 to the power 5. So that we have written, and to the power minus 3 by 5. Now since both are having the power 5, so we can write it in one bracket, minus 3 by 2 to the power 5. Now what can we do? It's minus 3 by 2, and this power we can multiply. 5 into minus 3 by 5. Why? Because there is a law of indices, that is a to the power m into n is equals to a to the power m into n. That means this can be multiplied. So here also we have multiplied. Now we can cancel the sign. If we cancel the sign here, what we will get here? Minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. Now here the power is minus 3. We can make it positive. How? We just have to make the reciprocal of this. So minus 3 by 2 was here. We'll make it as minus 2 by 3. We made its reciprocal. So it's whole cube now. Because here also we have used the law of exponent, that is minus a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a whole to the power m. That means here if the power is minus, then we have to reciprocal this base, and then we can make the power positive. So now it's equals to minus 2 by whole cube by 3 whole cube. Minus 2 by 3 whole cube means you have to cube both the terms. So now it's minus 2 by 3 whole cube is equals to minus 2 3 times to be multiplied, and 3 times to be multiplied. So minus 2 cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, and 3 means 3's cube means 3 into 3 into 3. So if we multiply, we will get it as minus 8 by 27, and this will be the answer. Now the next is 5 whole 23 by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now what we will do? First of all, we have to convert it into improper fraction, and to convert it into improper fraction, what we have to do? 5 into 64 plus 23 whole divided by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now if we multiply, we'll get 320 plus 23 by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now add it up, so you'll get 343 by 64 to the power minus 2 by 3. Now since the power is negative here, so we can make it positive. How? By making its reciprocal, because there is a law, a to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a whole to the power m. That is, here the base is negative, power is negative. So here make its reciprocal 1 by a, so you can make the power positive. Now here also 343 by 64 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 was there. So what we have made? 64 by 343. We have made the reciprocal and then changed it. Now we have to do the prime factorization of 64 and then 343. So what we'll do here, as you can see, 64 to 32 times, to 16 times, and in this way we have done. and 343 also, it's 7 3 times. So since here the power 2 by 3, that means in the denominator it's 3. So we'll try to make 3 pairs here. Because here 2 6 times it came. So to make it 3 pairs, we have drawn a line. And in one pair what is coming? 4. 2 2s are 4. So that is why what we can write, instead of 2 to the power 6, we'll write it as 4 cube to make it so that it can easily be cancelled. So 4's cube and it is 7's cube. So that is why we can easily write it as 4 by 7 whole cube. To the power 2 by 3 was here. Now this powers will be multiplied, because there is a law, a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So by using this law we can multiply this. So 4 by 7, 3 into 2 by 3. Now this 3 will be cancelled here. So what we'll get here? 4 by 7 whole square. So 4 by 7 whole square means it's 4 into 4 and by 7 into 7. So 4 4s is 16, 7 7 is 49. So final answer is 16 by 49.